And welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I bring you IP Gold. IP Gold revolves around different IP address. It's a proven profitable IP address ecosystem. And as I always do, let me play a YouTube video from them and see what they have to say.
Future of everything. So let's just cut to the chase. Introducing IP Gold, a proven, profitable IP address ecosystem that maximizes revenue generated from IP addresses. Required by every device to access the internet, IP addresses deliver a vast array of billion-dollar services, such as advertising, email, social media, search engines, the web, proxies, VPNs, content delivery networks, and more. The IP Gold ecosystem acts as a supercharger that delivers exponential per IP address revenues. Unlike other systems that deliver one service per IP, the IP Gold ecosystem allows for similar services to be delivered simultaneously on an IP address, multiplying short-term revenue while continuing to deliver long-term single-service retail and wholesale leasing revenue. Simple, linear scalability of the ecosystem means the more IP addresses, the more revenue. By integrating the power of the blockchain and smart contracts, AI, and automation with the team's experience, the IP Gold ecosystem will be able to increase revenues by working smarter and faster with its marketing and service provider partners, while simultaneously driving down operations and IP address acquisition costs. And as the IP Gold ecosystem generates monthly revenue, the value of the IP address assets increases as they become scarce due to continued internet growth, creating an asset hold value similar to real estate. IP Gold isn't sexy or cool, and it won't be the next Google.
Let me stop the video that way so you can see what they plan to achieve, solutions they plan to offer. Now, let me go to ICO Bench and see. They are 4.7 rating over 5, 4.7 over 5. That is good. 4.9 for ICO profile, 4.6 for the team, 4.7 for vision, 4.7 for product, and 34 days, that's like a month left for the ICOs. So it's already them. The token is IPG. One IPG is equal to $1 US. So $1 US. So that is it. The soft card they plan to meet is 13 million IPG. That is 13 million US dollar, and the hard cap is 20 million IPG US dollars. They are based on shares, on the amount of shares, and you need the KYC for this. Citizens of the US are not allowed to participate in this ICO, so it's going to be an Ethereum-based token. So the minimum you can invest in this is 50 IPG.